My dear students, in video 4, I gave you an exercise for practice. In this video, first we shall check the sentences. The first sentence is, porridge and milk make a good breakfast. The correct sentence is, porridge and milk makes a good breakfast. Its reason is that porridge and milk are two things, but they makes one thing a breakfast. It means two in one. Porridge and milk are two things, but they make one thing a breakfast. So similar verb will be used. Makes, porridge and milk makes a good breakfast. Now the second sentence. His anxiety and distress were so great that he could not sleep at all. This sentence is also the same sentence as the first sentence. Anxiety and distress are two things, but they are also two in one. So the correct sentence is, his anxiety and distress was so great that he could not sleep at all. Now third sentence, the poet and the novelist are dead. The poet and the novelist are two in one. So the correct sentence is, the poet and the novelist is dead. Now the collector together with his staff were present in the office. According to the rule, with, along with, together with are in any sentence, the verb will be used according to the first subject. The collector together with his staff was present in the office. Next, Mohan as well as Shyam have won a prize. Mohan as well as, when as well as is used, singular verb is applied. So Mohan as well as Shyam has won a prize. Both Ram and Shyam has done their work. Both Ram and Shyam are plural, so have. Both Ram and Shyam have done their work. Both Naresh as well as his brother. Both Naresh and his brother are coming to attend the function. And is used with both, not as well as. So both Naresh and his brother are coming to attend the function. 16 miles are no great distance. 16 miles is a single distance. So singular verb will be used. 16 miles is no great distance. Her hairs are grey. Hair is always used in singular. So her hair is grey. Sceneries of Kashmir are charming. Scenery is always used in singular. So scenery of Kashmir is charming. The wages of sin is singular. So the verb will be singular. The wages of sin is death. Geeta's sister's cycle runs smoothly. Double possessive or double apostrophe s is not used. So The cycle of Gita's sister runs smoothly. Whose are these cattles? Cattle is always used in plural, so no need to apply yes with cattle to make plural. Cattle is automatically plural, so whose are these cattle? He gave me an advice. Uh, he gave me advice according to the rule. With the abstract noun, article is not used. He gave me advice. In this way, I solved this exercise and you checked it and tested yourself. Have you any problem? Please comment. Now the correction of pronoun. Now the second topic is correction of sentences, pronoun. Correct use of pronouns. The first rule, when the word one is used as an indefinite pronoun, its possessive is one's and not his. The first rule is, when the word one is used as an indefinite pronoun, its possessive is one's and not his. For example, one must perform one's duty, not his duty. One's duty, it is wrong. One must perform his duty. It is wrong. Correct is, one must perform one's duty. The second rule, when the personal pronouns of similar number in first, second and third person are used together in one sentence, they are used according to 2, 3, 1 persons. Means first, second person, then third person, and in the last I, first person. For example, you, he and I are friends. You second person, he third person, and I first person. It means 2, 3, 1. 231. Or you and I are in 10th class. The rule number 3, when pronouns of plural number are used together with first, second and third person, they are used according to 1, 2, 3 persons. When pronouns of plural number are used together with first, second and third persons, they are used according to 1, 2, 3 persons. 1 means first person, 2 means second person, and 3 means third person. For example, we, you and they are working hard. We first person, you second person, they third person. 1, 2, 3. You and they are in same class. We and they live in this city. We and you are playing the match. All these sentences are the examples of if the pronouns of plural number are used together with 1, 2 and 3 persons, they are used according to 1, 2, 3 persons. So, we first person, you second person, they third person. You second person, they third person. First person is not used. So, the serial will be same. We and they, second person is not used. So we and they live in this city. We and you, third person is not used. We and you are playing the match. The four rule is each other or either are used when we speak for two things or persons, but one another or any is used for more than two things or persons. Once again, each other or either are used when we speak for two things or persons, but one another or any is used for more than two things or persons. For example, the old man and the small child love each other. You can walk on either side of the road. Ram, Syam and Gopal fought with one another, not each other. There are three. There are more than two. Now, fifth rules, interrogative pronoun who is used for subject, whom is used for object, and whose is used for possessive, are used for living things. These are the pronouns whom, whose, and whose are used only for living things. For example, the boy who came here is my friend. The boy is subject, so subjective case, who is used. The girl whom the teacher gave, the object is girl, so the whom objective case is used. The example is the girl whom the teacher gave first prize is my sister. The girl whom the teacher gave first prize is my sister. Third, the old man whose son is a doctor lives in my colony. Possessive case, whose is possessive case. The man whose son is a doctor lives in my colony. Rule 6. Which is used. The pronoun which is used only for lifeless things. For example, the book which I bought yesterday is lost today. Book is lifeless things. In this way, I have told you about these rules, in which way we use pronouns correctly. This topic will go on, so you should make a proper study of each video. In this video, I have taught you the correct use of pronouns or syntax of pronoun. Thank you.